February can be so dark and dreary and unmotivating in my part of the world, so I pushed myself to get outside and see if it would help me feel better. I found this great spot by the frozen creek to have a fire. I explored the area along the creek for a little while looking for firewood, and the fresh snow made everything look just magical. This area is mostly cedars. It's not the easiest to break apart. Good thing I have my trusty axe, Evangeline. Pretty soon, this fire was warm and toasty, and I was feeling a heck of a lot better.